What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have another solar fountain, but this one is a little bit different. As you can tell on the thumbnail, this one is glass covered. So this is covered in glass. This is not like your traditional solar panel that is plastic. All right, so we tear this off, and right here just let you know the model of it. Okay. Oh, it's already working. I don't know if you hear it, but it's moaning right now. So we're gonna put it, don't want the pump to run dry, so we're gonna leave this on right now real quick just to show y'all. It's telling you basically the conditions of this thing running, and right here it just says for one, evacuate air before you use it. In shadow, it's saying it don't work. All right, best weather is the sun, so that's right here. Worst weather is storming, raining, clouds. So it says X right there. Normal water level, and then it got a check mark and says this pump is submerged. Of course, if it's submerged, it don't work because you need the sun to hit the panels. All right, and then here's the water inlet is blocked, so that means algae. They got green algae, leaves and debris and stuff that gets into the filter. It will ruin the performance of the solar panel. Anyways, so here is the solar panel. This is pretty cool. It's white, but the top part is glass. Now the regular panels are plastic. Right here we have nozzles, we have the bullets. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bullets, and 1, 2, 3 nozzle heads right here. And now right here we have 4 fixed rods. This is what they call it, 4 fixed rods. We have filters, just in case your filter goes bad, gets dirty. Well, if it gets dirty, you could clean the filter, but if it goes bad, you have more filters. And that's about it. Let's get into the rest of this review. Let's go ahead and put these on. Take the little clips out, put the rod on the clip like so. It's a tight fit too. And we should be able to, okay, so I guess we just hook it up to the side. On this one, on the last one y'all seen me do, they had the slots into the foam. So in this situation, the slots is not on the foam, so we are going to hook it on to the side of the foam like this. That way it's secured. Now if you're asking, you don't want to hook it up right here in this gap because slide off right here. So that's why you want to hook it up to the foam part. That way it's snuggled on there tight. Same thing there. So we have all 4 on. Of course, back here is the filter. To take the filter off, twist and it'll come off. You see that? That's how you take these filters off, and that's how you clean it, just in case you don't know. I could always do a separate video for the other ones, but most of them are the same thing, and that's about it. These are simple, easy to put together. Now let's see it work in water. Okay, so that's with it without the nozzle. It says it comes with 8 nozzles in the description, so don't get mad if you see 7, but they have this attachment right here. I think they're including this as 8, but right here I have 7. So I got 3 flatheads and I have 4 bullets. Okay, and then I have this attachment for the flatheads. All right, so let's get into this. Like I said, my favorite ones are the bullets because it's just easy to take off. The flatheads is the ones that's a little bit more rough to get off. So we're gonna start with the bullets. All right, so as you can see, I was just in the shade and it don't work in the shade. Out the shade, it works. You see how it was running better now? That's because we ran the air out of the machine. Now, I'm not going to lie, you guys, these bullets are going on easier than the last one I just reviewed. This is my wife's favorite feature right here, because not too much water leaves the fountain when you have this feature on. This stuff shoots up 20 inches in the air, so if you have a small fountain, you will lose water. Okay, so this is good for like ponds and stuff like that. So this high conversion glass panel cover is basically to convert sunlight into electricity more efficiently and make the water spray more stable and lasting longer. So that's mainly the reason why they went to glass on this specific brand. Let's go ahead and switch that one out. Now you see that? Spraying up, and I'm getting the deck wet. So like I said, this stuff sprays up pretty high. I am getting 16 inches of height with the water, but with more sunlight, when the sunlight is more powerful, it will go higher. It goes by the power of the sun. Let's switch this one up. That nozzle has more going to one side, but it's still dripping out for me. Let me do this for y'all real quick. So my bird bath, the inside is 17.5. Okay, so if you have a bigger bird bath, perfect for you. And let's go into the last bullet. This is one of my favorites right here. So I'm losing water because it's hitting the side of the panel and the water is splashing out. Okay, you guys, now we're going to get into the ones that I don't really use that much, but here are the flatheads. We are going to go over the flatheads. We snap it on. See how it snaps? It snaps tight. And right, let's take this one off. Like I said, with these flatheads, once it snaps on, it is hard to get off. I found an easy way to get these caps off. Can opener. Stick it in, pop it open. Ladies, if you try to take this off while you have nails, and gentlemen, if you have nails, long nails, you will break a nail. Luckily, I don't have nails to break, so 7 holes on this nozzle. Snap in, and almost the same. Not really a big difference to that one. All right, let's take that off. Let's try to do our little trick we just did, and it comes right on off. Get yourselves a cool can opener, bottle opener, whatever. Snap in. Again, this one is 6 nozzles down here, 1 in the middle. All right, so basically the flats are the same. Like I said, my favorite ones are the bullets because they have different features. Other than that, that's it with the review of this solar fountain, and I hope y'all like it. If you need to know anything else, please drop a comment. I will answer your questions. I will also answer questions from Amazon. I see people ask questions on Amazon, and I will try to answer those questions in a video. Catch y'all on the next one. I also want to send a special thanks to Henry. He sent me this. He emailed me. Me and him been back and forth for almost a year now, so he kind of knows this channel and he knows me by now. So he sent this to me as a trial, and he is pretty nice, and they are very good with their warranties. I think they do like a 6-month warranty. I am not sure. You got to look at the Amazon description to see how long their warranties are. They usually give you back your money, or they will replace the item. So with me, last time when I had an issue, they replaced the item with no hassle. There was no hassle. So special thanks to Henry.